Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in 3-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get 2 videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book Chapter 2 Part 3 video. Okay. Question number 29. X equal to this number, Y equal to this number and Z equal to this number. And 5A equal to X plus Y plus Z multiply by 2. To find the value of A. So what will be X plus Y plus Z? So X plus Y plus Z equal to, if you just add these numbers, so you will find, after adding these numbers, you will find 670, 37, 950. 670, 37, 950. Now multiply by 2. This number is multiplying with 2. So it means multiply by 2. After multiplying with 2, you will get 13, 40, 75, 900. Okay? 13, 40, 75 and then 900. Okay? You can check. And 5A. 5A is equal to this number. So A will be equal to this number divide by 5. This number divide by 5. So you will get 26815,180. 26815,180. This is in the option number A. The 29th answer is option A. Okay. Come to the question number 30. A company manufactures 35470 soap cakes and 25037 bottle every year. What is the total number of items manufactured by the company in a year? In 1 year, to simple, add both of them. 35470 plus 25037. So you will get 60507. This is in the option number B. So 30 answer is option B. 31. An oil well produces 834 liter of oil in first year and 756 liter in second year. How many liters of oil the well produce in 2 years? Simple addition. 834 756 095 590. That is in the option number D. So 31 answer is 32. The male population of a state is this. Female population is this less than the male population. What is the female population of the state? The female population is less than the male population. There should be subtraction. 27,986 minus 7389. 16 minus 9, 7. 17 minus 8, 9. 8 minus 3, 5, 7, 7, 0, 2, 2, 0, 5, 9, 7. It is in the option number B. 32 answer is option B. Okay. Come to the 33. A factory costs this. A man has this with him. How much more money does he require to buy the factory for much more money? Subtraction. 1, 5. How many zeros are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many zeros are here? So here is also 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 8. Simple, it will be 7, 0, 0, 0, 0. Where it is written 700, it is in the option number C. 33rd answer is option C. 34. There are 17 villages in a state. Each village has population this. What is the total population of the state? The population of the state is 26,564 multiplied by 17. Why multiplication? Because one village has the population 26,564 and we have to calculate for the 17. It will be your 451588. 451588 in the option number A. 34th answer is option A. 35. A company employs 19 people. Each person paid this amount of as a salary. The total salary paid in a year. So it is in a year. Already it is given in a year. So there will be simple multiplication. Okay? So 77642 multiply by 19. Since salaries are given for the year 77642 and we have to calculate the total salary for year only. So for the person of 19 it will be your 1475198. It is available in the option number C. 35th answer is option C. 36. An oil well produce 680 liter oil every year. How much oil it produced in 15 days? Sorry, every hour it is. Every hour. So in 15 days, how many hour will be there? So देखो 680 liter in 1 hour. So in 1 day, 24 hour. So 24. How many days are there? 15. So it will be your product of 680 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 15. You will get 244800. 244800. It is in the option number B. 36th answer is option B. Okay. 37. There are 144 boxes containing 48 batteries each. ठीक है, one box 48 battery. ठीक है, if each battery weighs, one battery weighs 632 gram. ठीक है, and one box 48 battery, and how many box? 144 box. So first one battery 632. How many batteries in one box? So for one box there will be 48. And how many boxes? So 144. The product of 632 multiply by 48 multiply by 144 can give you the answer. That is your 4368384. 46884. 37th answer is option B. 37 option B. Question 38. A finance company sold shares worth this if each share cost rupees 45. Find the total number of shares sold. Each share 45. Number of share. Number of share should be the total money earned by selling this number of share. That is your 9540 divide by 45. Na? We can find the total number of share. So just divide 9540 with 45. You will get 212. It is available in the option number B. 38th answer is option B. 39. There are 30,145 teachers working in primary school in Maharashtra. There are 1,049 teachers in upper primary school and 934 teachers in secondary school, 5,622 teachers in higher secondary school. ठीक है, तो in the same state means in Maharashtra only. What is the total school teachers in the state? The total school teacher will be sum of all these 30145, then your 1049, then 935, then 5622. Okay, there are how many types of primary school? Upper primary school, secondary school, and higher secondary school. 4 types of school. Add all of them. After adding 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 9, 16, 16 plus 5, 21, carry 2. ठीक है, 8 plus 2, 10, 10, 13, 14, 15, carry 1, 1, 1, 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, carry 1, 1, 2 plus 5, 7, and then 3. So 3, 7, 7, 5, 1 is in option number D. 39th answer is option D. 40. The population of Delhi in year 1991 was this, increased to, it is increased to this in 2001, means 2001's population is this one only. Find the increase in the population in 2001 over that this year. ठीक है, so there will be subtraction. 5, 6, 0, 7, 2, 9, 8, 9, 6, 5, 6. Subtract it. Okay, 9 minus 8, 1, 12 minus 9, 3, 6 minus 6, 0, 10 minus 5, 5, 15 minus 6, 9, and then 4. 4, 9, 5, 0, 3, 1. It is in the option number C. So 40 answer is option C. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.